when we want to transmit binary 0, and when we want to transmit binary 1, then a continuous carrier wave is transmitted. In the same way, in FSK we have two frequencies only, one corresponding to 0 and another frequency corresponding to transmit digital binary 1. And in BPSK also we have two states, we have only two possible states, 0 and 1 are transmitted by phase shift of 0 and 180 degrees. So there are two phases in binary phase shift keying. That's why it is known as binary phase shift keying. So you can see that in all ASK, FSK and BPSK, 1 bit per symbol is transmitted. Every symbol I have told you that it is each discrete carrier state. Okay, so each discrete carrier state transmits only 1 bit. So 1 bit per symbol is transmitted. In case of BPSK uses binary means two phases, that is 0 degrees and 180 degree. Okay, to transmit bits 0 and 1, and it uses 1 bit per symbol. But in case of QPSK, it is very important to note that 2 bits per symbol are transmitted. Okay, in each symbol we have 2 bits. So for 2 bits we need 4 phases. 2 bits, with a combination of 2 bits we can have 4 combinations. Okay, 4 possible combinations with 2 bits, like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So this is the QPSK. In quadrature phase shift keying, this quadrature means we have 4 phases. We need 4 phases, unlike the BPSK where we need only 2 phases. Okay, so therefore in QPSK this total 360 degree phase is divided into 4 phase states. We divide it into 4. So 4 parts, 360 degrees divided by 4 means 90 degrees. So here we have separation of 90 degrees in 4 phases. Okay, so each phase is having a difference of 90 degrees with the other phase. So in QPSK we use following 4 phases. You see, we use 45 degrees, and if we add 45 degrees, we have separated them with 90 degrees phases, and 360 degrees has been divided into 4 phases. Okay, so these are 4 phases are 45 degrees, and 45 we add 90 degrees to it, then another phase that we get is 135 degrees, and in 135 on adding 90 degrees we get 225, and in the same way on adding 90 degrees in 225 degrees we get 315. So these are the 4 phases, that is 45 degree, 135 degrees, 225 degrees and 315 degrees. Okay, 315 degrees. So these all phases, 4 phases, are at a separation